Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make a cinematic reels editing in Capcut. So if you want to make your reels to look like a movie, in the step-by-step Capcut tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to edit cinematic style reels from start to finish, even if you are a beginner. So what you need to do first is just add your clips into CapCut. Like this, I have 4 clips and you can have more if you want to. And then you can now go to the filter menu. And in here, click on the search button. And then just search for the Bad Bunny filter. This one. Then adjust the intensity to your liking. I'm going to go with 85. And make sure that it's applied to all the clips. So just drag it like this to make it apply to all of the clips. And now go back and add another filter. Click on search button and now add the open aimer filter. This one. And again, you can adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 70. Click on a check icon again and apply it to all the clips. And now click on this transition box on the first and second clips. And for the first one, add this film blur transition. You can adjust it to all just like this, 1 to 2 seconds. Click on a check icon, go to the next transition box. And for the second one, I'm going to find for the heat flash transition. This one in here, click on it, then tap on a check icon. And for the next one in here, you can actually just use any transitions that you like, but for me, I'm going to use this wall transition, and I'm going to adjust the durations to around 0.9 seconds. Hit on a check icon and you can preview the result first. If you have more clips, you can also add another transition that you like. So let's see the result first. Okay guys, so that's the tips from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.